To use the IM Returns portal, please log into the website au-returns.ingrammicro.com. If your store is eligible, you'll be emailed your username and login prior to use of the site. If you are unsure of your password, click Forgotten Password and follow the prompts to reset your login. For technical assistance, you can always click on the help link below in the right-hand corner. Once you have logged in, you will land at our dashboard. Returning a product from your dashboard could not be easier. Just click Add Product to Returns Cart. Then select the brand that you wish to return. Once you've chosen the brand, enter the purchase date and return date. This is the date the product was returned from the customer to your store. Once complete, you can enter the SKU number of the product or search for it in the text field. On this page, you can detail the fault the customer has reported. Please be as accurate as possible. On this page, you'll be taken to a checklist which you will need to complete accordingly. Please note that unless all the criteria are satisfied, your claim may be rejected. Here, you will add your own internal job reference number and upload a copy of the customer's proof of purchase. If required, please provide a case ID and/or a serial number. Once you fill in all the required fields, press Next. The system requires you to print the paperwork before you can proceed. You must attach firmly all paperwork to the returning product. Please use sticky tape rather than elastic bands, which can be damaged and lost in transit. If the documentation falls off your product, your claim may be invalidated. Please ensure the barcodes are clearly visible. This will help you scan the item into the box to send to our warehouse, which will in turn help us process your credit faster. Once the page has been printed, the returns details page will come up. If you're happy with all the details you have entered, then click Submit and you're done. From the dashboard, click on Returns Cart. You will see products previously booked in over the last week. Enter the Ingram Micro invoice number to all your returns, otherwise you won't be able to proceed. Please note that the system will check that the invoice number matches the SKU that you are trying to send back. If it doesn't match, the system will reject it. Once you're complete, select the products for which you wish to request an RA. Now click Request an RA. To track the progress of an RA request, simply click on Pending Review. When your RA request has been actioned, it will appear in the Approved Returns tab. This is the section where you add your claim number for the approved RA. When your RA request is completed, add your claim number and upload a copy of your claim into our system. If any of your units have been rejected, they will appear in the Draft or Rejected tab, along with a reason. Once you have added your claim reference number, attach a copy of the claim, then click on Open Box. In the Open Box, you can move to the next stage where you can start to scan all the items into a box. Earlier, we required you to print physical copies of the job sheets. Here's why that's helpful. Simply scan the job sheets one by one and put them into a box atop your returns. You can add as many products to the box as will safely fit. Once a box is full, save it by clicking Save Box. You have the option to save and close, or save and start another box. You can create as many boxes as needed. From the dashboard, click on Arrange Collections, where you'll see a list of all boxes pending your request for a consignment number. Ensure the correctly printed labels are inside and outside the box, and all are legible. The system will not allow you to proceed unless those two labels are printed. You must attach these labels on the outside and place the inside label inside the box. This will make the process a lot smoother at our warehouse, which will speed up your credit process. Select the boxes from which you want to arrange a pickup, then click Request Consignment. Once you click Request Consignment, a message box will appear, allowing you to update the pickup address, add contact details and any other special instructions for the courier. Click OK to submit the request. A consignment note will now be sent to you from our Ingram Micro post-sales team. You will find that you have the option of saving your draft return. You may need to come back to the return while waiting for a vendor case ID or for some other reason. This is a great feature as it allows you the option of booking the return and being able to complete further details at a later date. Ingram Micro may reject an individual return for various reasons. A common instance is where an uploaded proof of purchase is incorrect or illegible. You will receive an email advising you of any rejections. You can find these rejections in the Drafts/Rejections tab along with a rejected reason. Click on the return to edit and resubmit. The IM Returns portal is our effort to significantly speed up the payment of credits for returned products. We hope that by using this portal, everyone will have a better understanding of the progress of claims. If you are keen to use the portal, please get in touch with your contact at Ingram Micro today.